This is my coat, my phone. Please, bro. Yeah. Please. Bro, I'm in cuffs. I'm in cuffs. We're gonna get it. Come on, bro. Y'all some crazy.
Don't yell at me.
I ain't yelling at no woman. I ain't trying to. You the tough guy. I'm shot up, bro. I'm fucked up, bro. Look at my stomach.
Dude, chill.
Okay, I got shit back on, bro.
Okay, stop.
Hey.
Stop pulling.
What is wrong with you? I have a shit bag on. Can you let your officer know that?
I've seen a lot of these calls, but this one hits different. June 1st, 2025, a hotel somewhere in America. A woman named Ariana Laurent walks into the front desk, mouth bleeding, hair pulled out, and tells the clerk to call 911. Officers arrive in minutes. What unfolds is a textbook collision of three doctrines.
I mean, you got a little bit of...
All right, do you got...
Not seeing any marks on you, though.
You don't see this right here?
I mean, you got, like, on the bottom lip, you got, like, a little tiny cut.
My mouth is... I'm bleeding.
Was your hair pulled?
My hair was pulled out of my... Yes. All of the above. My hair is in there, yes. I was on the wig.
Okay.
He ripped my hair. I had on a acrylic nail. My had on a full set. All of it ripped off.
Okay.
You can't be telling me my skin is turning red.
Girl, we are good, girl.
It's over.
What's your first name, ma'am?
Ariana. Riana. Yeah, I want him arrested. Y'all need
what's
to
your?
Because he keep doing this to me.
What's your last name, Mariana?
Laurent. Laurent. And I want to file charges against him, and I want a protective order so he cannot.
Your phone from the clerk?
Yes, but I need y'all to keep.
I'll go grab it for you while you get checked out.
You come around because he's gonna try to take it.
Can I just get her phone?
You out there?
Yeah. Yeah, they're in the room. Thank you.
You're welcome. Multiple times. I have it in my phone. I have police. I got a special in my face.
I have her info.
My face is
No marks on your face.
I'm gonna run her.
Hold on.
1627. I have one by name and date of birth. Do you have a middle initial?
I need to get all of my stuff up out of here.
So get checked out by them and then we can get that, okay?
Y'all gonna have all my stuff.
We're gonna stay right here while you get checked out.
We're not leaving.
I need y'all to make sure you know something about my stuff.
Last name is going to be Lawrence, Lincoln, Adam, Union, Robert, Edward, Nora, Tom. First name is Ariana, Adam, Robert, Ida, Adam, Nora, Adam. Middle initial C. Charles. Date of birth is going to
I'm telling you, Lord about it.
10-4. Thank you.
Don't worry about that.
So she gets to the ass, otherwise she should do it.
Okay. Well, we got the ambulance
You
here.
walking like that. Can you tell me if that's the office?
Do you have any more?
No. Water?
Voice at the front desk said that she had like a bloody mouth, and then it looked like it looked like her hair was pulled out. But
I mean, you could definitely see it's like right and pulled up. She got a mark like on her inside on her bottom lip. You can see that it's cut the same thing, kind of like up here. So I'm not to say whatever, especially with what they sell. We have 95.
hey, do you want to take this?
Did you have an ID?
Oh, here. His ID?
His ID said that he's got it, or?
I have her info.
Oh, your shit right here. He just want to make sure she's happening. I feel my own.
Yeah. Ariana C. Lauren.
Is that his legal name?
95.
What's the last name?
Lauren, yeah, Laurent.
What more do you have?
Ariana.
Yeah.
All your shit's here. I'm not touching
So
anything.
just like I made it.
Come back. Yes, good.
She doesn't want to go.
No, I think she does.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. It doesn't seem like she needs to, but
Yeah.
it isn't.
Yeah.
But you can see the marks that are inside of her lips. And then she also said that her nails got pulled off and her hair got pulled. But when she apparently walked into the clerk's office, even the clerk saw her mouth was all bloody. I grabbed pictures. You can see there's like a small cut like on her, like the inside of her lip, on the upper and bottom. But the clerk also saw a bloody mouth too.
Alright, she wants to sign complaints.
It's not complaint.
Yep.
It's fine, man.
Okay. Anyway, she's inside with him.
I need to get all my stuff out of here.
Like, what do you need to get though?
My hair.
Bro, my sister's fucking evil, bro. Bro, anybody can do all that. You keep doing next to it. That shit gonna be right, everybody touching nothing.
Dude, stay over here. Stay over here. Let her. Don't go near her.
Record. No, tweet.
Don't go near her.
My room.
I don't care.
What you talking about?
Don't go near her.
To you, this is my room.
Okay.
I'm not thinking about her.
Okay.
I'm not thinking about her. I'm thinking about here. This is what y'all want to do. This is what y'all want to do. This is my room, bro. You told me. I know you.
Everything? Ma'am, I'm getting everything right now.
Who room y'all think this is?
Don't matter who's
I know
it
who y'all
is.
talking to.
You're not.
I don't want to talk to y'all later. I don't want to. I'm talking to you.
Stop!
I'm talking to you, bro.
We're not talking anymore, dude. We're done. We're done talking.
Why y'all gonna come in my room and put cuffs on me?
Because like this.
But what's the purpose? You should be.
Arrested for domestic battery.
I'm trying to keep out trying to house.
What are you talking about?
Domestic battery.
Hell, why didn't you do that? This is my room. What's the talking? Is that room?
It don't matter whose room it is. Let's go.
I didn't do anything. I just want to talk to you.
We're done talking.
This is my this is my coat, my phone. Please, bro. Yeah. Please. Bro, I'm in cuffs. I'm like a tub.
We're gonna get
Come on, bro. Y'all on some crap.
Don't yell at me.
I ain't yelling at no woman. I ain't trying to. You the tough guy. I'm shut up, bro.
Turn around.
I'm fucked up, bro. Look at my stomach.
Dude, chill.
Okay, I got shit back. I got shit back on, bro.
Chill. Okay. Stop.
Okay.
Stop pulling.
What is wrong with you? I have a shit bag on. Can you let your officer know that?
Here's the question I want you to sit with. How does a single domestic call force officers to navigate probable cause, a suspect's medical disability, and a victim's right to refuse help, all before the cuffs even click shut? Stay with me. The answer tells you how American policing actually works when no one's watching the highlight reel. Let's start with the arrest. Under the Fourth Amendment, any warrantless arrest needs probable cause, a reasonable belief a crime occurred based on the totality of circumstances. That's not a high bar, and it's not supposed to be. In domestic violence cases, nearly every state has a mandatory or preferred arrest statute on the books. Here's how it works in practice. Visible injuries, a sworn statement from the complainant, and critically, an independent witness. The hotel clerk saw the bloody mouth before officers arrived. That corroboration turns a he said, she said into a clean probable cause file. Add her own words, quote, "He keeps doing this to me," end quote, and you have a recorded pattern. Now here's the human thinking counter-argument. A defense attorney will push back hard. They'll argue both parties had been drinking. They'll point out the male subject also claimed injuries. They'll ask why officers didn't run a dual arrest analysis to identify the primary aggressor, which most state DV statutes actually require. That pushback isn't frivolous. Under the primary aggressor doctrine, codified in roughly 30 states, officers must weigh relative injury, history of violence, and self-defense before deciding who gets cuffed. On this footage, the officers appear to have done that analysis silently. Whether they documented it in the report decides this case at trial. Now the cuffing sequence. This is where Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1989, takes center stage. Graham says the reasonableness of force during arrest is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, considering the totality of circumstances known at that moment. Mid-cuffing, the suspect discloses he has a colostomy bag attached to his abdomen. That's a known medical condition disclosed in real time. The moment those words are spoken, the Graham analysis shifts. Continuing standard pressure after that disclosure exposes the department to a Section 1983 civil rights claim under deliberate indifference. The human thinking angle here cuts both ways. Officers can't take every claimed condition at face value during a contested arrest. People lie to avoid cuffs all the time. But the cost of being wrong is catastrophic. The officers chose to ease pressure and reposition. That's the legally and ethically correct call, even if it slowed the arrest by 10 seconds. Final doctrine: patient autonomy. Ariana Laurent declines medical transport. Officers offer. She refuses. They document. End of conversation. Under common law and every state statute I know of, a competent adult has an absolute right to refuse medical care, even after a documented assault. Officers cannot compel transport without statutory authority. Counter-argument worth raising. Some advocates argue domestic violence victims in acute trauma may not be in a fully autonomous state. That's a real concern. But the legal answer is clear. Autonomy is the default, and overriding it requires a specific statutory finding, not an officer's gut feeling. Offer, document, respect the no. On the officers, the probable cause work was thorough. They photographed injuries, they confirmed the clerk's observation, they ran her through dispatch. When the suspect disclosed his colostomy bag, they adjusted. The one moment that bothers me is a phrase audible on an open mic, quote, "We got the animals talking," end quote. That line is a liability they didn't need. On the suspect, he didn't physically resist, which is the only reason this didn't escalate into additional charges. Verbal protest is protected under City of Houston versus Hill, 482, United States, 451, 1987. He disclosed his medical condition clearly. He cooperated with property retrieval. None of that addresses the underlying allegations.
I'm gonna unlock.
My stomach!
It's unlocked.
I'm on the phone, that's how I was getting my car to my phone, that's it.
At the station.
Hey, ready, dude? I got nothing on me, bro. What I'm going domestic. We ain't did nothing.
She's got injuries.
That was today. That wasn't for me, crazy. We drinking, bro. I'll be honest with you.
That's what she's saying.
I can say that on her. She's drunk, bro.
She's got injuries.
I got injuries, whole injuries too. We ain't did nothing. If we fought, do you think we would have been open by the door waiting on y'all? We ain't been there
Does he
29
have
years.
her ID and social security card?
That's my wallet.
She's
She's house.
She has it.
She ran. Somebody heard us. We was yelling. We just came back.
I'll see if it's
Yeah,
his
they
wallet.
have
My
it.
wallet and something else. That's it.
Do you have her ID and her
I never
social?
had nothing. That's what I'm
Do you
trying
know
to
where
tell
it's at?
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't lie to y'all. That's why I get my ID. I ain't even from around here, bro. That's all my stuff, bro. I ain't got. This you I was talking to. You might do it.
Here.
That's it. Grab this real quick.
Yeah.
I think it's
One more thing in there.
Yeah.
shit. My charger. I'm sorry.
Phone charger?
Yeah, that's it. That's why I'm gonna phone my sister. I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah, how long you got the room for?
Shit, for like 12 more hours. We ain't been that long. That's why I wouldn't lie to you, bro. I don't cause no trouble in that, bro. I wouldn't lie to you. I was just on the phone with my sister and go, that's a pizza. Be drunk, bro. I wouldn't even did this to y'all. That's why I'm like, what's going on? All right, he's good.
All right, good.
You got my,
It's unlocked.
my coat?
Yeah, we got it. We got your phone and your coat. Yep, your phone and your coat. We got it. You want to open his trunk and just grab a bag?
I'm ducked up for the rest. I ain't even been in there at all. I ain't even oh, we got him. Nothing. I'm about to make sure you got the camera on. I'm not even criminal. I'm not for real.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
She's throwing out. I'm being honest for me, bro. I won't lie to you.
I was just done at that point.
No.
From out here, you want to just take a picture of the room? I'm gonna see if she wants. He's gone for the night. Do I'm trespassed? You don't have to. You know how this is. Every time we're gonna offer it.
But they don't have to. I guess if it happened again.
Okay, perfectly fine. Thank you. Have a good night. She said no.
Lesson 1. If you are ever a victim of domestic violence, get to a third-party witness as fast as you can. The hotel clerk in this case is the single most important piece of evidence. An independent observer who saw your injuries before police arrived turns your statement from one voice into a corroborated case. That's the difference between charges that stick and charges that get dismissed. Lesson 2. If you have a medical condition and you're being arrested, say it out loud, say it clearly, and say it early. Disclosure is what triggers the legal duty to accommodate under Graham. A mumbled comment during a struggle does not protect you. A clear statement puts every officer on notice and shifts the legal calculus immediately. Lesson 3. Know that you can refuse medical transport, and know that you should think hard before you do. Patient autonomy is a real right. But documented injuries, examined by a paramedic on scene, become powerful evidence in the criminal case. Refusing transport is your call. Just understand the trade-off you're making. Probable cause is built from corroboration, and the most important corroborator in nearly every domestic violence case is the witness who has nothing to gain. Resources for the topics raised here are linked in the description. The questions are hard. The answers are worth knowing. Thanks for watching.